subsections: managing online annoyances, keeping your data safe, and protecting your physical computing assets. After reading the chapter, I encourage you to look over the Chapter 9 PowerPoint before taking the Chapter 9 quiz. This is the same quiz as we typically always have. 10 questions, 10 minutes, 10 points. We'll also be doing a Chapter 9 soundbite topic of your interest worth 10 or 13 points. And then you'll have two essays. One is an essay on backup procedures. This is question 1 at the top of page 431 in your 3-ring binder edition of your book. And you'll have a second essay question for security careers. This one's especially important as if you want to go into cyber careers, it's very profitable, both from, or very much in demand, and because it is in demand, it's very lucrative. Security career persons make very great salaries, and there's no shortage of jobs. In fact, there's not enough people to fill the jobs today. On both of these two essay assignments, I would like you to do 150 words or more. That's 2 small paragraphs or 1 large paragraph, although I like when you break the questions up into a couple paragraphs. It just makes it more organized. All right, so that's it for this week for Chapter 9. As always, please let me know what questions you have, and have a great week. All right, take care, class. See you, bye.
Design. So if that doesn't make sense, don't worry about that too much. And the same thing with top-down design. Don't worry about that too much. The other major section is programming languages, and it has 2 subsections.
This short video covers how to submit Visual Basic products into Blackboard for CISC151. After creating a project in Visual Studio, Visual Studio will automatically create a solution folder. So in this case, I'm creating a project called My Awesome App. That creates a solution folder. Within the solution folder is a project folder, and that will be the same name as the solution folder. So in this case, it would be My Awesome App. Again, that's going to be a project folder that has all the project files that Visual Studio creates. Additionally, Visual Studio will create a solution file with the same name with a .sln extension. In this case, it would be myawesomeapp.sln. In order to prove that a project works, what students will do is take screenshots of the working application. My recommendation is to create a screenshots folder within the solution folder, and then you can use snipping tool to save files into that screenshots folder. The screenshots folder again will be within the solution folder. Typically, students will do the tutorials before they will do the project, which is always a great idea. Depending on where you create your tutorials.docx file that has your screenshots, you can simply either cut and paste that into your solution folder, or even better yet, make a copy of tutorial.docx and then put that into the solution folder. Once you have your program that works, you've taken screenshots of the working application, and you have your tutorials.doc file within the solution folder, you'll then write